Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Handelsbanken to Revolut. So it's actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the steps I will be showing you, and that's it. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you want to consider the medium where you actually want to transfer your funds. So for this tutorial, we're going to suggest you to use Wise. Now, to proceed with your transfer, the first thing that you want to do is you want to first create your account in wise.com or log in into your account in Wise. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on Send Money. Now here, the first thing you want to consider is you want to choose the correct currency. So from USD, we want to change this to Euro, and instead of PHP, we want to change this to USD. Now in here, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on Continue. Now in here, you need to enter your recipient details. So if you want to send this to someone else, choose someone else, but if this is your bank account, just choose myself. Now in here, what you need to do next is you want to enter your banking details. So let's go to Swift here. In here, you just need to enter your banking details for Revolut. So here, just enter your Swift code or BIC code, and here also the IBAN or account number, and just hit on confirm. Then next, you will be asked to review your details, and finally, you will be asked to pay for the transaction itself. So in the pay section, you just need to link your bank into your Wise account here, and you'll be able to proceed with your transaction, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.